2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, security system, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.